So hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Dr. Indrima and in today's video I will be discussing about the branches of NEET PG and how you should be able to decide which branch is good for you. And before starting my video I want to give a disclaimer that एक पर्सनल बायस्ड ओपिनियन रहता है, हर किसी का रहता है और एवरीबडी हैज़ अ डिफरेंट अंडरस्टैंडिंग एंड अप्रोच टू ब्रांच सिलेक्शन. तो in this particular video my personal opinions and biased opinions may be reflected. So ये हर किसी के साथ भी होता है. अब कोई भी वीडियो उठा के देख लो, biased opinion तो रहता ही है और it's good because you want to learn from different people about their opinions and then you can form your own opinion and own decision based on that, right? So before starting I also want to tell you that एक particular branch, whenever you select, this video is for you to decide which branch you are for, okay? And once you decide that, I would request you to go and talk to any particular senior or go to a college, medical college or hospital and get a first hand experience about that particular branch. ठीक है, क्योंकि obviously नीट undergraduate के टाइम में हम जितना एक्सपोज होते हैं एक ब्रांच से, पोस्ट ग्रेजुएशन में बात कुछ अलग होती है, राइट? आई इवन स्पोक अबाउट दिस इन माई लास्ट वीडियो. सो यू शुड गेट अ फर्स्ट हैंड एक्सपीरियंस. दैट्स माई पर्सनल ओपिनियन एंड आई रिग्रेट that I did not do that, so I don't want you to make that mistake. लेकिन एक ब्रांच की डिटेल्स जो कि एकदम निटी ग्रिटी डिटेल्स जिसको हम बोलते हैं, that is something which only that particular PGT from that particular branch can only tell you. Okay, since I am from pathology, I can tell you every little single detail about pathology, but I can't tell you the details of any other branch. I can only give you a perspective and an understanding and the points based on which you should consider your branch, okay? But not the very basic and minute details. भाई इसके लिए तो फिर 19 subjects में PG करना पड़ेगा, है ना? So anyways, let's get started with today's video. Okay, so first I would like to divide the branches based on my personal approach. Usually क्या होता है कि different people have different approaches of dividing the subjects. ठीक है? In my opinion, first you have to divide the 19 subjects into two columns. One is clinical and one is non-clinical. Now, very basically, I would like to divide the branches only based on clinical and non-clinical. ठीक है, एक और भी अप्रोच है जो कि यू कैन सी विच इज द मेडिकल, सर्जिकल एंड योर वर्क लाइफ बैलेंस. इस पे भी डिवीजन होती है ब्रांचेस की, जिसमें क्लिनिकल भी आती है, नॉन क्लिनिकल भी आती है. ठीक है, एज यू कैन सी हियर दैट मेडिकल सर्जिकल तो ठीक है, लेकिन वर्क लाइफ बैलेंस के अंदर यू आर गेटिंग क्लिनिकल में रेडियोडर्मा एंड इन नॉन क्लिनिकल पैथोमाइक्रो एंड सो ऑन एंड सो फोर्थ. ठीक है, नॉन क्लिनिकल में सबसे ज्यादा जो डिमांड में है वो है पैथोमाइक्रो, जिसमें सबसे ज्यादा डिमांड है पैथो का. क्यों, वो सब अलग बात है, बट this classification is not right as per my opinion. I will tell you why. You should only and only primarily divide your branches based on clinical and non-clinical. क्योंकि अगर आप work life balance को देख करके, अगर आप सिर्फ if only based on work life balance you are going into a particular branch and you are not deciding whether it's clinical or non-clinical, तो अगर आप गलती से non-clinical में चले गए और आपको क्लिनिकल पसंद है, इवन इफ यू हैव वर्क लाइफ बैलेंस यू विल नॉट बी सेटिस्फाइड विद योर लाइफ. इसीलिए हमेशा ब्रांच सिलेक्शन के टाइम पे वर्क लाइफ बैलेंस को बाद में सोचा जाता है. Even when I will talk about pathology, this point will come first and foremost, that is a non-clinical branch. Are you happy with that? Will you be happy with that? क्योंकि you will not have patient interaction to that extent. And believe me, कुछ टाइम के लिए तो ठीक है, लेकिन in the course of life, in due course, you will kind of be pissed off and not very satisfied with your life. So if you are that kind of person, then yes, you have to think it very very deeply. जो बात लोग नहीं बताते, मैंने बहुत से काउंसलिंग वीडियोस देखे हैं, कुछ ऐसी चीज़ें हैं, कुछ ऐसी प्रैक्टिकल अंडरस्टैंडिंग है जो लोग नहीं बोलते, लोग नहीं बताते हैं और यहीं पे हम लोग फंस जाते हैं. ठीक है, सो वर्क लाइफ बैलेंस मेनली कम्स विद द नॉन क्लिनिकल ब्रांचेस एंड इन आउट ऑफ मेडिकल ब्रांचेस यू हैव रेडियोडर्मा एंड ऑल्सो साइकियाट्री टू सम एक्सटेंट, एंड इन सर्जिकल फील्ड yes, ophthalmology has a very good kind of work life balance. balance and even ENT also to that for that matter. ठीक है, let's talk about the general points. तो कुछ सवाल है जो आपको अपने आप से पूछना है, उसके बेसिस पर आपको डिवीजन करना है. I think by now you know which branches do have a good lifestyle and which branches do not. Obviously everyone knows that. So the first question that you need to ask yourself is clinical versus non-clinical. Second point is medical versus surgical. Very important. अगर आपकी सर्जिकल मेंटालिटी है, अगर आपको सर्जरी करना पसंद है, you need adrenaline rush, then you cannot be happy with medical branches. So these are distinct differences और हम यहीं पे अपने आप को मिक्स कर देते हैं, कंफ्यूजन हो जाती है यहीं पर. तो इस चीज को बहुत ध्यान से आपको क्लैरिफाई करना है कि मुझे क्या चाहिए, बिकॉज इट्स नॉट दैट कि कंप्रोमाइज कर लूंगी. कंप्रोमाइज नहीं होता है भाई, एक टाइम के बाद कंप्रोमाइज नहीं कर सकते अपने आप के साथ. तो ये क्या चाहते हो वो अपने आप से सवाल करो और वो जवाब सिर्फ आपके पास ही है. ठीक है. So the third point is whether you want to do super specialization or not. Although nowadays every branch has got options of super specialization or fellowships जो कि आपको करना चाहिए एक ब्रांच में. In one particular field you need to do some extra degrees so that you get you get into top positions. But essentially speaking, there are some fields which demand super specialization. Again, super specialization is a very subjective thing. Whether you are determined to do super specialty or you want an end branch. Branch मतलब उसके बाद MD के बाद आपको ज्यादा कुछ करने की जरूरत नहीं है, आपको अच्छी खासी जॉब या जो भी है आपको मिल जाएगा. ठीक है. And next is love for the brand. That is very important. Obviously, karma is dharma for all of us, and if you don't love the thing that you are doing, you will never be successful. You will never ever be successful. Next is yes, work-life balance. Very important, especially if you are a girl. Work-life balance आपको सोचना पड़ेगा क्योंकि फ्यूचर में आने वाली जिंदगी में क्या क्या चीजें होंगी उसके हिसाब से आपको वर्क लाइफ बैलेंस की प्रोपोर्शन समझना है. ठीक है, आपकी प्रायोरिटीज को समझना है. ये सारी बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट और रियल लाइफ पॉइंट्स है जो आपको दिमाग में रखना है. ठीक है. अ ब्रांच इज नॉट ओनली बेस्ड ऑन द एक्टिविटीज दैट यू डू इन अ ब्रांच. ब्रांच इज योर लाइफ. अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स विल बी एसोसिएटेड. द क्वालिटी ऑफ योर लाइफ विल बी decided by this branch that you are taking. So be very careful. Okay. Next point is your spouse. So yes, we do have some very famous combinations like pediatrics and obs and gynae, then surgery and pathology. Although these are not very I won't say that this is something that you should go by. Obviously go by your heart, but yes, sometimes you do have future plans to establish your clinic and things like that where you will be be at par with your partner. So that is why I'm saying that you kind of consider this point as well, okay, for your future business. Okay. Next is location. Location will tell you how to establish in life. Everywhere in every state the thing is not the same. For example, a radiologist is getting this much amount in Delhi, but he may not get the same amount of salary in West Bengal also, because like states, even in stipends also states are differing. So in job opportunities and even in salaries also the states differ. So your location is very important based on what you kind of establish. Okay, like for example medicine, if you talk about 3-tier cities like Delhi, Mumbai, like this, obviously super specialty is a must. लेकिन if you talk about suburban areas or places like that, even MD medicine will also do. So that is why I said location कहाँ पे settle कर रहे हो उसके ऊपर बहुत कुछ depend करता है, वो भी decide कर लो अभी से. ठीक है. Next is yes, your male and female gender. Although I do not believe in gender bias, I am completely against it. But having said that, seeing incidents like this in my college brings up the question of gender bias over here. I was not gender biased previously, but now seeing this kind of incident, I feel women has to be more safe. Women need more safety and security, even if that means compromising your branch to some extent. I mean, I don't know, I have nothing to say based on this, but please keep this thing in mind that yes, female and women are nowadays, not that secure. I don't know, I can't say more than this. Yes, then any specific point, any specific prediction for any particular branch, or you want to do any particular degree, like for example, you want to do DM hematology. Now, so for that, you have to go for branches or, that will give you the opportunity to do DM in that particular subject. So if you have any particular ambition or particular vision in life, then you have to go by that path only. So I hope I made myself clear. Now I will talk about the individual branches. Number one is medicine. Obviously it's an evergreen branch. Yes, you can do super specialty. If you are settling in suburban and rural areas and tier 1 cities, you don't even need super specialty. So yes, you can earn up to any amount you want or whatever, but lifestyle will be very, very hectic. ठीक है, lifestyle very, very hectic, but with every passing year your the hectic schedule will reduce. And at the same time, pediatrics. नाउ पीडियाट्रिक्स में आपकी पेशेंट की जो लिमिट है वो थोड़ी सी आपकी कम हो जाते हैं यहाँ पर, ठीक है. आप यू विल बी हैविंग लिमिटेड पेशेंट्स, मीन्स चिल्ड्रन, ओनली चिल्ड्रन. You need to be having a very good personality, and because you know you have to deal with children all your life, it's a wonderful branch, because and you don't have to read endlessly like that, but you do have even super specialty options in this field also. It's also a kind of an end branch, so even just after completing pediatrics you can settle and earn good amount of money, okay, especially in places where medicine is a competition, where medicine is saturated. In those areas like tier 3 cities where medicine अगर आप लेते हो तो आपको super specialty करना ही है, उसके पहले आपको कुछ नहीं कर सकते आप. लेकिन pediatrics in those areas, pediatrics will win over medicine, क्योंकि वो एक end branch है और वहाँ पे उसके बाद ही आपको बहुत opportunities मिल जाएगी, ठीक है. और establishment में भी आपको competition थोड़ा सा कम हो जाएगा. Now psychiatry, yes, it's a very good branch. इसमें अर्निंग पोटेंशियल भी काफ़ी है, और yes, you can set up your own clinic as well, and it's also giving you a kind of good work-life balance as well. But again, psychiatry, I believe if you want to do psychiatry, you need to have a lot of love for the subject, क्योंकि वो सब्जेक्ट में आप ऐसे पेशेंट्स के साथ डील कर रहे होते हो, पूरी जिंदगी आपको वो काम करनी है. आप समझ रहे हो ना मैं क्या बोल रही हूँ. सो यू हैव टू हैव अ स्पेसिफिक लव फॉर द सब्जेक्ट, अदरवाइज don't take psychiatry, okay. Then radiotherapy, yes, it's a very good branch. You do have options later on, yes. And treating with cancer patients, we do need a lot of consultants nowadays. It's a very good, I personally have a lot of respect for this branch, because they're dealing with cancer patients, and those are the patients which even my branch पैथोलॉजी में भी हम लोग कैंसर के बारे में ही हमेशा पढ़ रहे होते हैं. सो दैट्स वाई वेरी क्लोज टू मी. येस, इट्स वेरी गुड ऑप्शन. एनेस्थेशिया, येस, लेकिन एनेस्थेशिया के बारे में मैं एक बात कहना चाहूंगी कि एनेस्थेशिया में काम जो है वो कम है. वंस यू एनेस्थेटाइज द पेशेंट, यू जस्ट हैव टू कीप मॉनिटरिंग द पेशेंट. दैट्स व्हाट यू हैव टू डू. देयर आर लॉट ऑफ procedures that you need to learn in this particular field. You do get the adrenaline rush. It's a good branch, but once you are inside an OT with a surgeon, then for that particular surgery, the amount that you are paid will be less than the amount the surgeon is paid. तो वहाँ पर आपको थोड़ा बहुत ऐसा लग सकता है कि भाई मैं तो सिमिलर अमाउंट ऑफ एफर्ट और टाइम डिवोट कर रही हूँ, फिर भी मेरा इनकम कंपैरेटिवली कम है सर्जन के हिसाब से. और मैं ये बात भी बोल देती हूँ कि टॉक्सिसिटी जो है वो सर्जिकल ब्रांचेस में कंपैरेटिवली मेडिसिनल ब्रांचेस से, मेडिकल ब्रांचेस से सर्जिकल ब्रांचेस में थोड़ी सी ज़्यादा है. ये एक रेशियो देखा गया है. तो ये बात मैं कहती हूँ, हालांकि इस पर कोई स्टैम्प नहीं लगा सकती मैं, लेकिन दैट इज व्हाट आई हैव रेड एंड अंडरस्टूड फ्रॉम द स्पेकुलेशन. नाउ रेस्पिरेटरी मेडिसिन, येस, वंडरफुल ब्रांच. यू कैन सेट अप योर ओन क्लिनिक. यू डू हैव ऑप्शंस of DM also after that, so it's a very good branch. Okay, it's very good alternative to medicine. Okay, and then comes geriatric, family medicine, and things like that. Although these are upcoming branches, these are now, yes, I want to go with the law of average and tell you that these branches people don't really take up, but if someone takes up this branch, they have to add it up with fellowships or DM after this, and then they can reach up to a point. That's my personal opinion. But the point is, maximum people going with the law of average, they do not take up these branches. The other branches are more popular. Okay. So now coming to radio and derma, obviously radiology is the fantastic branch. Radiology में, if you can go into intervention radiology, then yes, it is the one of the highest earning branches. But again, intervention radiology में radiation exposure काफी है, तो पॉइंट आप याद रख लो, ठीक है. Otherwise it's a very good branch. You do have patient interaction, you do have hands-on experience with patient interaction, but I will not say it is a totally clinical branch. मतलब आप OPD बेसिस पर totally clinical branch जिसको हम बोलते हैं वैसा नहीं है ये branch. On the other hand, derma is a totally clinical branch. On OPD basis you can treat patients, and the patients are also not emergency patients, so nobody is going to call you in the middle of the night for an emergency. But setting up clinic, your own clinic, is difficult because you need some amount of fund for that. Okay, expensive. Setting up of initial clinic, your own clinic is expensive, but you can always have options for nursing homes and things like that where you can open your chamber. That's always there an option. So it's a good branch. लेकिन इसमें जो further options है ना, वो further options उतना अच्छा सुनने को लगता है लेकिन करने में उतना ज़्यादा famous नहीं है. ठीक है. So derma has got a restricted, I would personally say, going with the law of average, it has got a restricted opportunities. Okay. Now coming to the surgical branches, yes, MS surgery, obviously following it, you have to follow it up with super specialization. And obs-and-gynae, now if you talk about a girl, I will definitely say go for obs-and-gynae because it is an end branch. Yes, you do have options, but it's essentially an end branch and you can very well practice after that. It's a fantastic branch, but again it's a very very hectic branch. और जिसको पसंद है वो काम करना, सबको वो काम करना पसंद नहीं होता है. जिसको पसंद है वो एक बहुत ही सेंसिटिव ब्रांच है, बहुत इमरजेंसी ब्रांच है, तो वो ऐसी काम जिसको पसंद है दे शुड गो फॉर दिस ब्रांच. इट्स अ वेरी वेरी डेडिकेटेड ब्रांच. नाउ कमिंग टू ऑर्थो, yes, out of surgery and ortho, if you want early establishment, go for ortho. It's a wonderful branch. Yes, and yes, you can set up your own OPD, own clinic. Very good. I mean, initially only you can earn a lot more than surgery. Surgery has got a long learning curve. At the same time, establishment and income also starts at a later age. But again, surgery, you have open options. You can do anything after that. But ortho, you're restricting yourself, right? So these are very few differences. Ask yourself these questions. You'll get the answer yourself. So next is yes, ophthalmology for a girl who wants a work-life balance and a surgical field. Ophthalmology is the best branch. You do have options of fellowships later on. You will do that, you should do that, and then you will definitely get placed at a good position. It's not always an emergency field, so you will have time for elective surgeries and for your work-life balance, your family, and you will also maintain your professional life. It's a very good branch. ENT also, it's a very good branch. I think ENT for a girl mainly go for ophthalmology. ENT is also a very good branch, almost similar to ophthalmology. Now coming to non-clinical branch, पैथो के बारे में dedicated video I will post because I will talk about the very nitty gritty details of that subject. So उसके लिए अलग video है. इस video में मैं उसके बारे में discuss नहीं करूँगी. माइक्रो के बारे में मैं उस video में ही बोलूँगी because micro biochem, all these things, they do have limited opportunities. Okay, nowadays pathologists, actually very frankly speaking, according to me, okay, whatever I know, that's according to me, हम लोग के जो labs है वहाँ पर पैथोलॉजिस्ट को ही हायर किया जाता है, वही साइन कर देते हैं माइक्रोबायोलॉजी और बायोकेमिस्ट्री को. ठीक है. तो लेकिन बायोकेमिस्ट्री में भी काफी सारे ऑप्शंस है. लैब डायरेक्टर बनने के भी ऑप्शंस होते हैं. माइक्रोबायोलॉजी में अलग इन्फेक्शियस डिजीज एक्सेट्रा एक्सेट्रा, यू हैव एवेन्यूज कमिंग अप. कमिंग टू और पीएसएम, yes, actually there's a lot of field work in PSM, so for boys I think that would be better, not for girls. And then if you talk about pharmacology, yes, pharmacology में भी आप corporate sectors में काम कर सकते हो. It's a very good branch, but again going with the law of average, people don't really take up these branches, but there's a very good option कि आपको job मिल जाएगी because these branches, they are not saturated that much. People do not take up these branches. Job opportunities, मतलब government sector में job opportunities थोड़ी बहुत ज़्यादा है इन branches का. तो अगर आप faculty बनना चाहते हो, you can even start teaching, and if you are into this kind of things, then these branches are good for you. After this, you can go into any corporate sectors also. You have opportunities in lab also. You can even do DM after this, and you also have options of government jobs open. So you do have a very balanced life if you go with the paraclinical branches. But you are saved from that hectic schedule, okay, of the clinical branches, because clinical branches में आपको पता ही है कैसे जिंदगी है, उन लोगों की खाने पीने का भी टाइम नहीं मिलता है. लेकिन इन सारे branches में आपको एक जॉब, जिसको हम बोलते हैं जॉब मिल जाएगी आपको अच्छी खासी और सैलरी भी अच्छी होगी. Some other points I would like to discuss, and that is yes, you need to choose a good college is also important. So very importantly, कोई भी ब्रांच अगर आप लेते हो, हर ब्रांच से सक्सेस का रास्ता है. Every branch has got a road to success, different road, but when you enter a branch, it is not the end, it is the opening of your life. Your branch is just the opening of the path of success. तो ऐसा नहीं कि मैं ब्रांच कर लूंगी तो सक्सेसफुल बन जाऊंगी. नो, इट इज जस्ट द गेटवे, इट इज जस्ट द डोर. योर पीजी इज जस्ट द डोर, एंड नाउ यू हैव टू work on those pathways to make yourself successful. So success is what you do after you finish your MD finish करने के बाद उस ब्रांच में जितनी भी एवेन्यूज है, जितनी भी पाथवेज है सक्सेस तक, वो आपको अच्छे से समझ के यू हैव टू मेक द नेक्स्ट स्टेप. ऑब्वियसली MD इज नॉट द एंड ऑफ योर लाइफ, नॉट द एंड ऑफ योर करियर. ऑल्सो आफ्टर दिस ऑल्सो यू गोना डू अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स, चाहे वो DM हो, फेलोशिप हो, कुछ भी हो, कुछ ना हो, जॉब हो, जैसे भी हो, आपको प्रैक्टिस हो, जो भी हो, बिजनेस कर रहे हो, जॉब कर रहे हो, जो भी कर रहे हो, वट एवर यू आर डूइंग, after you complete the MD, that's when your real struggle and your real life starts. Okay, now yes, never compare yourself with others. Don't see and don't say that okay, that person has done this, I will also do this. No, never do this mistake. कहीं पर भी अपने को किसी के साथ कंपेयर नहीं करने, क्योंकि ये आपकी जिंदगी है, इसमें आपको ही टेक करना है इसमें. ठीक है, if you're comparing and if you're trying to follow somebody else, believe me, you will be at stake. Okay, because you don't know the exact way that person has gone through to reach that stage. So do not copy someone, be yourself and don't compare yourself. Whatever you are doing, every branch is good. 19 सब्जेक्ट्स में हर ब्रांच को इक्वल इंपॉर्टेंस मिलनी चाहिए. मुझे नहीं पता क्यों ये रैंक के हिसाब से होता है शायद ये डिमांड के लिए, इनकम के लिए ऐसा होता है, लेकिन the respect you should give equal respect to every branch. Otherwise ये MBBS में इतने सारे ब्रांचेस होते ही नहीं अगर इसकी इंपॉर्टेंस नहीं होती. ठीक है, तो हर ब्रांच बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, वो आपके ऊपर है कि आपको क्या करना है. ठीक है, now yes, you have to be satisfied with what you have. You have to make your life, क्योंकि ये लाइफ के बारे में सवाल है. अभी ये सिर्फ करियर का बात नहीं है, अभी ये लाइफ का बात हो चुका है. तो you have to be very very careful about that. Yes, you should be able to have family time. I personally believe yes, you should have a good work life balance. Family time जरूरी है, life is short. Okay, so enjoy with your loved ones. Also have a good career and a good life, good work life balance. Enjoy your life, passion, do your hobbies. That's what I personally feel. Now it's up to you. If you want to work the whole time, that's what I feel. But yes, you should work the whole time, but you also need to have a little bit time for your family and your friends also. Okay, now dealing with residency problems, residency blues. Yes, I have mentioned this points in my previous video, so I will give the link in the description. And yes, you can always do future studies whenever you feel stuck, so no need to worry this much. So enjoy what you're doing, success will come automatically. And yes, a few quick tips. Please keep studying side by side. Don't wait for the third year exams to come. First year say make a small diary and keep writing points कि क्या आपने देखा है, what do you think you should come home and read about it, and you know, kind of activate your mind into learning every time. That's what I said in my last video also. So yes, keep reading and keep learning side by side. And if you're very much confused, then please write down in a piece of paper the pros and cons of that particular branch and ask yourself questions. I'm very sure whatever points I've discussed, if you ask yourself all these points, choosing a branch will not be difficult for you. I think I've made myself clear. And yes, be ready for worst moments. I've already said this in my last videos. Take up the branch and make it your own. Okay, so I wish you all the best. And if you feel that somewhere I missed out something or you do not agree with me, then please mention in the comment section. We can always interact and learn. If you like my video, then please consider subscribing. I will meet you very soon in some other video. Till then, take care. Thank you for watching.